In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer product waitlist on Podia. A waitlist is perfect for pre-launches and upcoming products because it lets visitors register their interest, gives you real demand signals, and builds an email list you can nurture before opening sales. Start by heading to your Podia dashboard. Once you're in, look to the main navigation and open the products area. Find the product you plan to launch later and open its editor. If you don't see it immediately, use search or filters to locate it. The key here is that you're editing the product that will collect emails instead of taking payments for now. Inside the product editor, go to the pricing section. You'll see options that control how people can purchase or sign up. Open the offer settings. From there, choose the waitlist option. This swaps the usual checkout experience for a simple email capture so visitors can join your list for updates. It's a great way to eliminate friction and focus on building interest. After making the selection, save your changes to lock everything in. Next, set up email notifications so you can communicate with people who join the waitlist. Podia's built-in email tools make this easy. You can create broadcasts or sequences to send updates to anyone who signed up from this product. If you prefer an external email service, connect one and specify which list new waitlisters should be added to. Services like GetResponse work well for tagging and segmenting waitlist subscribers, so you can send targeted messages. Double check that your list selection is correct and that new subscribers are being captured as expected. With the waitlist live and email collection in place, start promoting it to build momentum. Share your waitlist link on your website, social channels, and anywhere your audience is already paying attention. Inside Podia, you can send updates to your waitlist with behind-the-scenes progress, sneak peeks, and your launch timeline. This keeps interest high, warms up your audience, and gives you a strong pool of engaged subscribers to notify the moment you're ready to open sales. When you do launch, announce it to your waitlist first so they feel rewarded for joining early. That's it. You've turned your product into a waitlist, set up email notifications, and prepared a simple promotion plan. Keep your messaging clear, remind people what they'll get at launch, and stay consistent with updates to maximize signups and enthusiasm.